Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab P11 and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications, more precisely toggles, from the right top side of your screen. Once you see all the toggles, what you're looking for is obviously power saving. Now if it's not on the first page, you can swipe to the side and you will see additional pages of toggles. Now I actually don't see it right here, so I'm gonna tap right here on this pencil icon. And as you can see, it's right here, so it is disabled by default. Now once you see the battery saver, hold it and then drag it over to the top, drop it, and when you go back you should have access to it on one of the pages. As you can see, there it is. So I'm going to tap on it. Now when you tap on it, it gives you a message. So battery saver turns on dark theme and limits or turns off background activity, some visual effects, certain effects, and some network connections. So let's click on turn on. There we go. It gives you this red outline around your battery. Obviously the dark mode is enabled, and probably the most important part of this message was the network connections. So what it refers to is that it turns off Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used. So when it's in this kind of state, it will disconnect from both of those networks. And because of this, you might either have delayed or just no notifications regarding or from applications that require internet connections. Now, just to name a few applications like that, any kind of mail fetching, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and so on. Those are all apps that require internet connections. And any of those listed apps plus many others, when they don't have network, obviously they won't give you any kind of notifications. So keep that in mind. Now once you're done with your power saving mode, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once again, tapping on it, and everything should go back to normal. And with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.